Welcome to RK's Digital Training. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a list in an Excel. Say for example, I have something like this: serial number, and then first name, and then last name, and then I have a city. So here, what I wanted to do is, I wanted to give a provision for the user, whoever is going to enter the details, to select the city from the list box. So how do I do it? So first let me fill this. Just give an example. One, let's say first name as Taiwan and read something like this, and select the cell. Go to data validation. Under settings, you will have allow. Here you select the list, and then you select you write the city whatever you want: Hyderabad, Bangalore, Chennai, Delhi. Click on OK. And if you look here, you will be able to see those details here. So this is pretty easy. So if the user wants to fill for the next row, he can do it like this, and then he can fill this value, and he can copy paste the same thing, and then he can select the country or city whatever he want. So same, I wanted to do it for country. So shall we do this? So if I wanted to do it for country, so what I need to do, I need to go to data, and then data validation, and here I have to select it as list, and then I will be writing it as India, USA, UK. I just wrote 3, so you can write as many as you want, so you can select that. So if at all you wanted to copy the same thing here, next row, just do like this, and then select the country whatever you want. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel RK Digital Training. Thank you.